In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to use Monday.com for designers so you can organize creative projects, manage client work, track deadlines, and streamline your entire workflow in one place. Whether you're a freelance designer, part of an in-house creative team, or running an agency, this setup will help you stay organized and deliver projects faster. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more practical software tutorials just like this. All right, let's get started. The first thing you want to do is create a dedicated design projects board. On the left sidebar inside Monday.com, open your workspace. This is where all your boards live. Click on the plus add button and choose New Board. Now give your board a clear name like Design Projects, Creative Requests, or Client Work. Choose Main if this board is for internal team use, or choose Shareable if you'll be collaborating directly with clients. Once you've selected the board type, click Create Board. Now you have a clean foundation built specifically for your design workflow. Next, let's structure your creative process using groups. Groups in Monday.com act like stages of your workflow. At the top or bottom of your board, click Add Group. Rename the group to match your first stage, like Incoming Requests or Briefing. Then add additional groups for each step of your process. For example, Concepting, Designing, Reviewing, Revisions, and Approved or Completed. This creates a visual pipeline so you can instantly see where every project stands. Repeat the Add Group step until your entire creative workflow is mapped out from start to finish. Now, let's set up designer-friendly columns to track everything properly. On the right side of your board, click the plus icon to add new columns. Start with a status column. Customize the labels to match your process, like Concepting, Designing, Reviewing, and Approved. Next, add a priority column with labels such as low, medium, high, and critical, so you always know what needs attention first. Add a deadline column using the date column type so you can see due dates clearly. After that, add a people column and rename it to requester or designer, depending on whether you want to track who requested the work or who's assigned to it. Then add a file column so you can upload mockups, thumbnails, brand assets, or final deliverables directly inside the task. This keeps everything centralized instead of scattered across emails and chats. You can also add a tags column to categorize projects by type, like banner, logo, social media reel, ad creative, or UI design. Add a text column for detailed specifications or design notes. Include a URL column for linking to Figma files, Canva designs, Adobe Creative Cloud links, or client folders. And if you want to measure productivity, add a time tracking column so you can monitor how long each project takes. Each time you need a new column, just click the plus icon, choose the column type like status, date, files, text, or URL, and customize it to fit your workflow. Now, let's make your system even more powerful by creating a design request form. This is perfect if you receive frequent requests from clients or teammates. At the top of your board, click Add View and select Form. Monday.com will automatically convert your columns into form fields. Customize the form so it includes title, project details, priority, deadline, and file uploads. Rearrange the fields to make the form clear and easy to fill out. Once your form looks good, click Share Form to generate a link. You can send this link to clients, marketing teams, or anyone who needs to submit a request. Every time someone fills out the form, a new item will automatically appear in your Incoming Requests group. This eliminates back and forth emails and ensures every project starts with the information you actually need. By setting up your board this way, you create a complete design management system inside Monday.com. You can track progress, manage files, prioritize tasks, collaborate with clients, and even measure time spent on projects. Everything stays organized, visual, and easy to manage. And that's how to use Monday.com for designers in a simple but powerful way. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more step-by-step software guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.